The free all-in-one online business club. Build and host unlimited websites plus collect commissions of $30 $100 per sale with our high converting physical tech gadget network with all the customer support and shipping done for you. Club free personal membership. You can easily design, build, and host unlimited sites for your own businesses, projects, and ideas. The possibilities to earn with this alone are limitless. Free for a limited time. With our easy site builder and unlimited bandwidth for your projects, you can be one of the few people who can create as many websites as you want, all at no cost to you for the lifetime of our platform. Cancel Shopify, and stop paying monthly for WordPress hosting. Easy editing. Building a website is as simple and fast as playing with Lego blocks. You can start by choosing one of our pre-built templates, adding blocks from other sets or creating your own custom design until you have the perfect site for what you want it to be. Responsive and high converting pages. The clean layouts, animation effects, and responsive visuals available in our templates are sure to leave an impression on your users. All of our templates are designed by experienced, professional web designers. Professional functionality for all e-commerce and online retail needs, including credit card checkout, analytics, management console and more. SEO friendly. Get comprehensive SEO tools out of the box and increase your site's engagement, traffic and conversions. Our suite of SEO tools includes tracking for Google Analytics and Facebook pixels. SSL included. All of your sites will use secure HTTPS. This means that data from your website visitors that is sent to our servers is protected via encryption. There are many places where visitors can log in or share personal information on your sites, and now you can be sure that data is safe from outside eyes. Need a restaurant booking form? Contact form? Picture gallery? Our pre-made blocks allows you to drop in thousands of features onto your sites without coding. Any content you add will be responsive and will naturally adjust itself to any device, laptops, tablets, phones, even wearables like smartwatches and Oculus. The clean layouts, animation effects, and responsive visuals available in our templates are sure to leave an impression on your users. All of our templates are designed by experienced, professional web designers. AI and automation are taking jobs, don't become replaceable. The future of work is changing rapidly, and one thing is clear, those who fail to adapt risk being left behind. As AI and automation continue to advance, many jobs are becoming obsolete, and it's more important than ever to have a profitable, unique online business that people take seriously and trust enough to pull out their card and buy from. So don't wait, the future of work is here, and it's moving faster than ever. If you want to secure your financial future and ensure that you're not replaceable, you need to get started now. Don't risk being left behind. Free. Build and host unlimited websites plus hundreds of templates in nearly every niche. Access to our tools for free for the lifetime of our software platform. Affiliate access to high converting tech gadgets and products through our product network. List of free AI powered tools to create compelling content.